Class 2, for today's work, you are going to need your big blue book. You're also going to need to make a border around your page, and you are going to need to make a horizontal line in the middle to divide your page. So it's going to look like that. Okay, and you're going to need two colors. So I'm just going to get mine. I've got my two colors here. You're going to need two of those, and we are going to start with one color. Now, this you will remember from yesterday when we spoke about the trees that Zamo had to cut down. Okay, so we are going to start in the corner, hold our pencil, we're going to go up to the right, over to the left, up to the top, down to the right, into the left, and down to the right. So now I would like you to see how many you can fit in this top section over here. Okay, maybe 2 or maybe 3, maybe even 4. So class 2, I managed to fit 3 altogether. I still have a little space over here, but that's not big enough for me to do another one. Now, if you look at your pattern in front of you, it makes you think of tall, tall trees in a forest, doesn't it? Now, as we know that not all trees are tall and not all trees are in the forest, because many of us have them in our garden, and some of us have shorter ones and they are a bit more rounded on top. So if we look at this shape over here, it looks just like a tall, tall tree. But if we had to change it to a different shape, then it would be something different. So if we made these straight lines into a curved line, it would look like something very different, wouldn't it? So with your other color, you are going to start in the corner at the bottom. And it starts the same as the one we just did. It goes up to the right, but then it's going to go round, round, and then come down to the right. So that's what that's going to look like. So do you think you can finish that row? Now, something that you might want to see is the same as that the same amount I have on top is the same amount I have at the bottom. So see if you can have the same amount on top and at the bottom. And when you are done, you will have your tall, tall trees on the top, and you will have your rounded, shorter trees at the bottom. Excellent work, class 2.